Hello, YouTube viewers. Thank you for joining my Earth cooking adventures. Today, we will be making a new Earth vegetable that I have not tried before. It is called broccoli. And we will be preparing this by steaming. It's not the same as boiling, but it's very similar. It uses hot water to cook a vegetable. The broccoli is an earth vegetable. It has mixed reviews. I've seen some people claim this is very edible, and other earth humans have claimed that this is marginally edible. We'll be cooking it in a steamer. And for that, we will be placing the broccoli inside of this steaming vessel along with water to approximately here. The water will be heated and it will steam, the hot steam will cook the broccoli. And as we've prepared other broccolis or other earth vegetables, we will be putting this one with the salt and the butter. We will add water to the boiling vessel. And apply the heat. Then we will put the broccoli in the heating vessel. Perhaps I should cut them smaller. Now that the broccoli is cooked, I'm looking forward to trying some. We'll put salt and butter. I do not know how it is traditionally eaten amongst the humans, but I would imagine they cut it into smaller pieces. Perhaps something like this. Smaller bite-sized pieces. This might be an appropriate way to serve these. I'm looking forward to seeing the taste and flavor of these earth vegetables. It tastes strange. I do not believe they will agree with me. I believe these may be poisonous. Yes, these are definitely poisonous. Thank you for joining my Earth cooking adventures. Today, I've clearly prepared something that is poisonous. I do not know if it's poisonous for all creatures, but it appears to be poisonous for me. I would not have died from it, but I became ill and I lost my lobes. I will not be preparing this again. Thank you for joining my Earth cooking adventures. Like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. We'll see you in the future.